Not sure how to merge two Facebook pages? By the end of this video, you'll have one accurate page and we will preserve as much of your hard work as possible. For the most up-to-date social media advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Saturday. Warning, watch the whole video before you get started because if you make a mistake, there's no going back. I've walked multiple clients through the process of merging different pages that they accidentally made or other people made and they took ownership of, and now it's your turn. So step one is going to be to make sure that you have admin access to both of the pages that you're trying to merge.
So you're going to go to your page, go to the top right hand corner, hit the gear shift to go to settings, go down a little bit, you see page roles right there, and then you'll be able to see what your page role is on the pages that you're wanting to merge.
Now, I know I keep saying both as in two, but you can do this process multiple times to combine if you have any more than two pages as well. So you just would have to go through the process more than once. Step two, gain your admin access. If you need to get it from somebody else or if you already have it, then you're ready to go to step three. So step three.
If you housed your pages in your business manager, then go to the second link below in the description to do this. But if you have them just regular and you access them through your personal Facebook page, then go to the first link.
Step four is going to be to follow the process by checking the two pages that you want to combine. Step five is going to be to request your merge. Now keep in mind, you may not be able to merge your pages. What Facebook is looking for is that they have a similar title, similar information, similar descriptions, something that lets them see that it is in fact two pages for the same business or brand or whatever the page is made for. It has to be similar enough that they can approve the merge.
So the links I shared are great if you're on your computer, but if you're on your phone, you can do this right here. Go to the page, go to the settings, go down to merge pages, and it's going to ask you for your password, so you just sign in, and then whatever pages you have admin access to will show up right here. I don't have any other ones, so I don't have anything there.
Step six. Now this is really just a note of things to remember when doing this. So if you don't have the option to merge your pages, you might be able to request a review from Facebook. You can submit that there on the same page and it will let you know if they can merge it or not. If you see the option to have Facebook review your request, Facebook will do that and let you know what they decide. If your pages can be merged, it will preserve the likes and the check-ins of the pages and combine them, but the posts, the photos, the reviews, and the username that you chose for that page will all be deleted from Facebook permanently. This is why it's best practice to download the page's content before continuing with the merge process so that you have a backup and you might be able to reuse the most popular posts, photos, and things of that nature on your new account since you can't move them over there. Maybe you can over time post those things. The page you want to keep will remain otherwise unchanged while the one that you merged will be deleted permanently from Facebook. So this cannot be undone once you do it, which is why I said to watch the whole video before you start this process. So what you should do now is make sure you have your admin access, download your copy of your page's content.
Real quick, here is the follow along to download your content from that Facebook page. So what you're going to do is go to the page, go to settings, go to download your information right there. Download your information, click that. It'll show you everything that you can download. You can unclick what you don't really care about, and then you just go down and create file.
Now you have one easy to manage page for your brand or business, but how are you going to grow that page? I have made a guide for you guys. I'll put the link in the description and you can download it there. It's going to go through the way to perfectly set up your page for success so that you can build your brand's integrity and more people will want to follow you, and build your brand awareness so that hopefully you can grow your business faster with your social media. You can check out these videos next. I will have more coming out every single Saturday. If you like this video, make sure you like it, give me a comment down below, and share it with your friends. See you next time.